Black's objective here is to try to make a ko in order to live. Black's ice space is very small here in the corner. If you try something like this, standing down, it's unlikely to work. But of course, white needs to be careful. If white is not, then black can actually stand down here and cut off this stone and make a living shape. So white will actually just play here and capture this stone. And black does not have enough ice space. This is going to be a straight 3 pattern right here. Once black realizes that it cannot make a clean living shape, it should play this Atari instead and aim for this cut right here. But it doesn't have to play it right now. So after all these exchanges, but of course white can start this ko right away. This will be a better ko for black compared to the one that we'll arrive at. So white's best response is to connect here rather than triggering this ko right here. So now what does black do? Right, standing down here will not work. Bending here at number 5 will not matter to the final result. So I think one key takeaway here that we can learn is that when you have this shape, right, 3 black stones here and 1 white stone here, you cannot have another one here, right? You cannot have another one at F17 here. But something like this, then one way to guarantee one real eye is right here, right? Because white cannot come in at number 6, you can cut it off, and number 8 cannot capture number 7 because of number 5 setup. White cannot come in, and this will be a real eye right here. So that's why number 5 is a very sharp move for black, because it guarantees a real eye here. So the best white can do is something like this. And it also guarantees a fighting chance in making an eye here in the corner. So when white plays it here, number 6, black can throw in and start this ko. This is a 2-step ko, meaning black will need to win both steps. So of course, if black loses, white will just capture through and black will be dead. If black manages to capture back, now what happens is that white can try for a local ko threat, something like this, or even this, but black will just keep capturing. And what happens now is that black is threatening to cut off white here, right? So white might want to connect here, and black will have to cut here. White captures. Black has a local ko threat at number 17. Black captures back, but white has a couple more on the outside now. So this will be a local ko threat, number 20. White captures back. Black will need another ko threat on the outside. White has another one here. Black captures. Black can't really escape yet. Right, so white has quite a few local ko threats. 32 again. But now this is only a 1-step ko because white already connected at number 14, giving black the first step. Because number 7 is really fighting for the first step, it got captured. So it's a pretty hard ko for black to win because white has so many local ko threats. And that's actually a tip for white, right? If you're white in this situation, you know there's going to be a ko. And you do not want to play out this pattern, right? If number 6 is right here, then you're going to lose at least this one local ko threat, right? And as we saw, playing here actually will lead to more local ko threats. But the key takeaway, I think, is 1, 3, and 5 and how we got to this point. You always calculate how to make a clean living shape, and if you cannot do that, you have to make use of your opponent's weaknesses. And in this case, it's this very classic cutting point here on the second line, and how playing the throw-in here in the corner will get to this point, right? White cannot connect here because of this cut. And that's how you usually make kos. You have to make use of your opponent's weaknesses. Hope that made sense. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.